Okay, the very first time that I do this speech drill, you are not repeating after me. I'm just going to say this at regular speed. The second time, you're going to articulate each sound after me, and we will do that twice. Then I am going to articulate each line, and you will répéter, and we will do that twice. Then I will articulate the entire speech drill, and you will répéter, and we will do that twice. You are going to probably second guess yourself because this is the first time. I don't want you to second guess yourself because you just need to get through it. This speech drill takes time. These particular sounds are new to you, and that's why they're your first speech drill. Okay? You can do this for a year. You could do this for a week. You just want to do this until you feel like, when I see that EN, I know it goes eh. When I hear that eh, I know it's EN. And then you're good. Okay? First time, don't répéter. I, O, A, A, O, E, U, un, on, I, B, mo, pe. Notice that my accented sounds, were short. Now you're going to répéter after me. We will do the isolated sounds twice. I, O, A, 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 O, O, E, E, U, U. Very good. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to move on to you repeating the line after me. Relax your shoulders, okay? Don't tense up because remember, your tongue is a muscle. If you tense up, you're going to make all kinds of weird sounds. Répétez after me. I, O, A, O, E, U. Un, on, I, B, mo, pe. Now we're going to répéter. I want you to remember when you go when you go and when you go on, do the proper mouth placement. That way you will know you're making different sounds and not making the same sounds. Okay? Okay. I, O, A, O, E, U. Un, on, I, B, mo, pe. Now you know what it's time for. This is the time we've all been waiting for. This is when I say the whole thing and you répétez after me. Okay? Okay. Ready. Relax. Relax your body. Sit up straight. Okay. I, O, A, O, E, U. Un, on, I, B, mo, pe. Now, something I want you to know. If you made some mistakes, don't keep repeating the sound you made a mistake on. Just keep moving along. Now, répétez this after me again. I, O, A, O, E, U. Un, on, I, B, mo, P. If you feel like my waiting period is not long enough, you can always press pause. If you feel like I'm waiting too long, you can always press forward with the speech drills. They will always be done in this way. And I promise it's going to help you so much. If you understand the concept of listening to me and repeating the speech drill sounds, lines, and entire drill, give it a thumbs up so that you can remember you get the concept. Then download it. The idea of giving yourself a thumbs up, this goes to you. It's giving you a thumbs up, lets you know, yes, I've just completed another video. I'm ready to download this video and watch these speech drills and practice these speech drills until I have it. I'm very proud of you. Now, the very next lesson, the very next video is on the definite article the. There are several forms of the, and I want you to watch the video and get ready for that. Because I know sometimes you go, there isn't just the, there are several of them. You can freak out and go, how do I memorize them? Remember, these videos are part of the tools that you have to help you remember everything you need to learn. And you can do this.